let's go outside. We can hang.
Hi guys, welcome back to another Vlogmas. And how are you guys doing? If today is the first time of joining me, you're very much welcome. My name is Temidayo Ojieyan, and this channel is all about faith, food, fashion, beauty and lifestyle. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly do. Also, don't forget to click the like button as well as the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop new videos. Actually, still Christmas Day. But you'll be seeing this video on the 26th, which is Boxing Day. What are you guys unboxing? What are you boxing? And I have my friends around, so it's just Christmas celebration. So you guys are just going to be seeing my Christmas Day activity. This is from Aldo, and my earring as well. My dress is from Envy. I'm all Christmassy. So guys, I cooked this soup yesterday just so I won't have to do too much cooking today. And I just put on the stove now on low heat. Then I'm gonna be adding kale to it. So I purposely didn't add the kale so that you can still have that fresh feel. And we're gonna be eating this with pounded yam, the real pounded yam. So guys, today I'm putting back my turkey in the oven. The oven is preheated already, and this is the sauce from yesterday's part. So I turned it yesterday. I did just the back, so now I'm doing the inner part. So I'm just going to pour the sauce, the broth over. So it's quite much, so I'm just pouring it. So I'm still going to cover it with foil and return it back into the oven. So I'm using the lower rack. Other end here, I want to cook pepper soup, goat meat pepper soup, and I have the broth from the meat and I added a little bit of water to it. So I'll be using pepper soup spice from Triple T Kitchen. That's my African store. And this is ground crayfish, Cameroon pepper, and I'm going to cover it. And now I'm going to be cooking brisket. I marinated it yesterday already, and I'm just going to put it in the air fryer. So I'm going to spray my tray and put in the brisket. Put it in stick. So it's going to cook for 20 minutes. So it's time to pour in my vegetable. Check it first. Pour in the kale. I'm just gonna stir it and be careful because of the fish. Guys, I think I'm just gonna take out the fishes.
Why doesn't it? Oh yeah, I forgot the instructions.
So now I'm going to pour in the diced goat meat. It's been diced. And stir together. Then I will now taste for salt. Check the brisket now. It's 20 minutes. Wow. Looks good. So I'm going to turn it, flip it around and put it back. Another 20 minutes now.
That's not to be charged. What's my boss? This guy is a good.
The for sure to Santa we wear mask. Never sit down.
We don't wear mask.
We wear.
Sleigh bells ring, diamonds bling, famous season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds bling, carols singing, famous season. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the trees, put the lights up. 'Tis the season. Need no Grinch types, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this. Y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag. I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Merry Christmas, everybody. place that I can come home to.
Hi guys. So everybody say hello. This is we having fun on Christmas Day. Our table is all set and the kids are ready to gobble.
Where we take some Ella?
Jesus. It's actually pounded yam.
Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
If you know eat another way, you don't I already chop and then for we don't come. Then I know.
One more children, no more children.
Yeah, they're going not to them.
Not children, kitchen.
Let's children in the kitchen.
People will get
Don't let me say you know the plan for more children.
No, my voice you won't take now.
We need more children. Like we need 4.
You put not do that face for
These people need more children.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you do enjoy today's Vlogmas.